1996 one owner Chevy 5.7 liter V8. Really clean truck, as you guys can see. Look at that, it's mint. So it's got factory converters there and there, and it comes factory true dual into a single muffler. We cut that off and it ran true duals all the way back, as you guys can see, on each side, all the way 2 1/4 there and there, into some quad black tips right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. As you guys can see, it's got a rolled pan on it and everything. Rolled bumper. There's the factory 2 actually aftermarket mufflers that we cut off right there and replaced it with that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sounds better too. Wow! It's so loud. Your sound decibels? 119. Right at 119. Go ahead and back it out. You're gonna be waking up all the time. That's crazy. What do you guys think of the sound? Oh, I love it. It sounds completely different. Let you guys hear on the inside. Peace.